MELS Kitchen. I just want to thank again all of the subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And today guys, we will be making blueberry cheesecake. Okay, our ingredients are 1 cup of evaporated milk, 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1 pack of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of white flour, 1 cup of blueberries, 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon of grated lemon peel, another cup of sugar, and we can make our own crust or we can buy our crust in the store. Okay, now we just have to blend all of our ingredients. We will put in the milk in our blender, the sugar, the flour, our cheese, While waiting for our pie to be done, we will caramelize our blueberries. Okay, we'll just get a pan and heat our blueberries and our sugar on a low heat pan. And we will add in just a little water to help with the caramelization process. There you go. As we can see, the caramelization process has already started. Our blueberries, starting to cook. First, we wanted to simmer it down. Liquid from the blueberries, let's mix now with the water and with the sugar. That's why it's like soupy. So we wanna simmer it more. Now that it's already 35 minutes, we will check our pie if it's already cooked by poking it with a toothpick in the center, and if it comes out clean, then it means that it's already cooked. But if not, we will give it some more minutes. Okay? It's not clean yet, so we will give it a few more minutes, okay? Now that it's already 45 minutes and we did check our pie already, the toothpick came out clean, so it's now ready. Okay, here is our pie. We will just give it time to cool down. Now that we did looks yummy. Okay, as you can see, I'm moving the blueberries to the side of it, so we got all of our pie covered with our blueberry jam. Now, we will put this one on the fridge for 2 hours to let it set. Now that our blueberry cheesecake has already cooled down and I slice it already, how yummy it is. And now it's time to taste. So delicious. You can really taste the blueberry and the cheesecake. It's just perfect. Okay. Once again, thank you so much guys for subscribing to my channel, and if you find this video helpful, please click the like and also subscribe to my channel. If you did this recipe, please leave a comment below and let me know. Once again, thank you so much. Take care and God bless.